How to remove your mounting bracket from the ZEN smoke alarm. Hi everyone, this is Christian from zensmokealarms.com.au based in New Farm, Brisbane. We are Australia's interconnected photoelectric smoke alarm experts. Today we're going to show you how to remove the mounting bracket from the rear of your ZEN smoke alarm. It's so easy to do, takes literally about 5 seconds. This is your ZEN smoke alarm right here. This is the front. This is the back with the mounting bracket. To remove it, simply twist it anti-clockwise like so. You can see it's just released and off it comes just like that. So that's your smoke alarm right here. This is your mounting bracket. Your mounting bracket is what attaches your smoke alarm to the ceiling with the 2 screws. So easy.